Hey sunshines, and welcome back to Slim Fit Curls. I did it, y'all. I finished my 2-week challenge of my apple cider vinegar drink. That was some hard stuff to do. I mean, hard. I finished the 2 weeks, but I originally said that I was gonna drink it twice a day. Once when I woke up in the morning on an empty stomach, and at night on an empty stomach before I went to sleep. The first week, I started off being able to do it. The second week, I just had to do it in the morning when I woke up. It was a couple nights during the second week where I was able to do it before I went to sleep, but for the most part, nope. It was just when I woke up in the morning. And the drink is not the best, which I went into this knowing that it wasn't gonna taste the best. But what got me was the powder that you had to put in there. I also had to doctor up the drink by adding a ton of ice. As long as it was cold, I was good. And I had to add a nice amount of honey. So what I ended up doing was, instead of adding a teaspoon of honey, I had a tablespoon of honey. And it tastes a lot better with just the 3 ingredients behind me, but I did do it with all 5 ingredients. But the powders didn't make it to the display because they nasty. They can't be here. Just trifling and nasty. So no, y'all didn't make it to the video. But I will say that with me doing the 2 weeks and not doing it day and night like I was supposed to, it was a decent result, is what I'll say. It wasn't necessarily what I thought it would be, but I wasn't really sure what to expect. The whole purpose of me going into the challenge was for my bloating issue. Every time I would eat, I would look pregnant immediately after. So trying to avoid that. So it wasn't so much for weight loss like I know some people are doing it. Did I end up losing weight? Well, let's look at the video. So as you saw in the videos, my before picture at the top, I was 27 inches, and around my waist at the bottom, I was 31 inches. And then today when I took my after pictures, it was still 27 at the top, and then I did lose an inch and went down to 30 inches around the waist. So was all of it due to the apple cider vinegar mix that I made? I don't know. But I do know that I did decrease my bloating, but would I be able to continue drinking this all the time to be able to decrease the bloating? No.
So let me tell you guys why. I'm going to go over my Slim Fit Curls 5-star review. So we're going to talk about the things that I like and what I don't like. So what I liked were the results. What I didn't like was the taste and the convenience. So overall, I gave it 3 out of 5 stars for my review because
I'm not the type of person that when I wake up in the morning that I'm just like ready to eat. I need a minute. Let me wake up, get my life together. So for me to have to drink this, wait 30 to 45 minutes before I can eat something afterwards, I'm hungry. I just want to eat something. I don't want to have to wait that long when I already wait a while before I wake up, after I wake up to eat something. So, I mean, for those that can tough it out, I would say that is something that if you're looking to not have a bloating issue, it definitely works for that. But I personally, I just can't do it again. But I did do some research and I saw that there are some gummies that you can take that are apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to do another challenge to do a comparison between this drink and the gummies and to see which one works out better for me or if the gummies even work. And I believe how you pronounce the name of the gummies is Gali or Goli. So stay tuned for that video and hopefully we can get this bloating situation to be together without having to drink. Cause no, I can't do it, y'all. I can't. I toughed it out because I said I was gonna do the challenge. Well, let me say I partially toughed out because I did every morning, every night the first week, and like I said, nights here and there. I did what I could do. But I just wanted to come on here and be honest and not try to make it seem like I did the full 2 weeks and this is the results that you got, because it may have been better results if I did it the full 2 weeks. But the taste, I tried, y'all. I tried. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Toodles. Mwah.